In this tutorial, you will learn to use the SureSpeed Test Stand Check in the InCommand Go Display. The Test Stand Check can be used to test and verify meter functionality and performance on the customer's planner. To begin, you will need to have a SureSpeed configuration loaded to the mapping screen of the InCommand Go Display. Tap the settings wrench in the lower right corner of the Advanced Seed Tube Monitoring tile. Ensure you are on the Planner Drives tab. Choose Planner Check. Tap on the drop-down to select the test type. Tap Test Stand. If you would rather just run one row at a time, tap the Rows drop-down and select the row you would like to use for the test. Next, use the plus and minus to adjust the ground speed during the test and the duration. Tap the calculator icon to enter the population that you would like to use for the test. Before running the check, verify the generator and vacuum are turned on and at normal operating levels. Tap Run Check to begin the test. Once you tap Run Check, the system will run through the seed meter prime process to ensure the meters are primed with seed and ready to go. Once the meters are primed, it will automatically begin the Test Stand Check. During the check, you can see the planner average information. On the bottom, you can see each row's information. To see additional rows, you can swipe to the left on the rows. When the check is complete, it will automatically generate a PDF report titled with the configuration name and date and timestamp. Looking at the report a little closer, in the upper left, it will display the display owner's information. This information can be edited and a custom logo added in the Management Setup menu. The report will also display the parameters for the test, including ground speed, duration, target population, and test date and time. On the right, you will be able to see which seed varieties were used and what the seeds per revolution number was entered for each one. Next, the whole planter average test results is shown. Down below, the report will show the test results on an individual row basis. If a vacuum sensor is installed and configured for a row, it will display the recorded vacuum level during that test. Tap the X in the upper left to exit the report preview screen. If you have a USB drive connected to the display when you run the test, the report is automatically saved to the USB drive. If you did not have a USB drive connected during the test is saved internally on the display. Once a USB drive is connected, you will be able to tap the USB drive icon to export the reports. Once they are exported to a USB drive, we are able to view them again on the display. Tap the folder icon. Expand the folder structure to find the report. Tap the report file so it's highlighted, then tap the green check. Tap the X in the upper left to exit the report preview screen. Tap the green check to return to the planner options screen. Tap the green check again to return to the mapping screen. Now, you will be able to successfully use the Test Stand Check on the InCommand Go display. For more information on setup and settings, please refer to the Operator's Manual on the Ag Leader Knowledgebase. If you'd like to see more short tutorials from Ag Leader, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.